Okay, now trying to turn the tables a little bit here. We've discussed bringing the data from the shore to the ship, but a connected ECDIS allows data sharing from the ship to the shore. And this is done by collecting the most relevant nautical information along the voyage. So we can get information such as the planned route, position, heading, speed, weather, and often RPM. This can then be used for real-time monitoring, vessel monitoring, as well as post-voyage analytics. So that data is always available to you at any point in time, and you're able to analyze that data whenever you need it. And as a result, this helps to ease the traditional daily reporting, such as noon reporting. So when we start looking at noon reporting, we can now look at noon reports that are pre-filled with all available information from the ECDIS, and only a few additional parameters like consumption, power, and work need to be added. So essentially, this is a hybrid data collection and is a far more cost-effective way of getting the data rather than having to retrofit a vessel with full auto-logging systems. It also allows for many advanced nautical analytics. So we do this by providing the crew with a tablet device. This can then be acted, first of all, as a redundant take-me-home solution in the event of an ECDIS failure. Through the smart logging technology, the data can be automatically logged and reported. So we start looking at EU MRV reporting, IMO DCS, and noon reporting, of course. And then, of course, safety and efficiency notifications can be reported for decision support. So master is aware of what's going on as well. From the shore of the base teams have access and overview of the data from the ship. That means they get a fleet overview with the list of vessels, highlighting KPIs. If we look at core vessel information, we can then provide an overview of where the vessel is, what her planned time of arrival is, how that matches up with her ETA. And this can then also all be displayed on nautical charts, including real-time AIS data. And then finally, we look at the navigational issue side, an overview that gives an insight as to how the vessel is performing.
Which brings in another dimension, which is the very moment we have the data on shore, we can do advanced nautical analytics with it. And that is all about to improve your vessel's performance as well as safety. So this new type of analytics onshore allows you to record nautical near misses, something for which we are all aware happens on a daily basis on all ships of the world. But the information is unfortunately not recorded in a way that it can be used to improve officers' training, which is now possible. Having this information, you also have the ability for emergency response because you have the full picture, not just the vessel's position, but all relevant information, how the vessel got into the situation, as well as the current traffic and nautical information for the particular situation. And that is real-time vessel monitoring, so you always have the full understanding where your vessel is, regardless of the situation. And in case of the case, you have the ability to analyze the voyage with a replay. So for you, it's much easier to understand how your vessel came into the situation, what particular has happened. And with this data, which you can also share in case with others, it's much easier for you to defend your position with data for which you don't even have to wait because you already have it. And this is how we do it. Onshore, you have the Kpi Dashboard, which focuses on navigational safety and navigation-related questions. You can understand from how the crew prepared the voyage to how they execute the voyage. Are they actually following their plans, or are they doing whatever they wanted? As well as having information how you sail into areas or out of areas to understand what is the right decision for this very moment. Everything at a glance and easy to review with your crew to give feedback, which is the fundament for improvement.